Welcome back. It's a prudent media impact. Villagers of Sao Mathias from Diwar have got the much needed bus service. Prudent media had highlighted the plight of the villagers as there was no bus service from Diwar Old Goa ferry point. On Monday morning, KADAMBA started a mini bus in the village, thus giving big respite to the locals.
Breaking coconut and burning of crackers marked the launch of KADAMBA bus service on Diwar Island on Monday. Sarpanch of Sao Mathias village Gurudas Bomkar, officials of KADAMBA, BJP youth leader Siddesh Naik and other villagers were present at the launch ceremony of this bus service. For more than 15 days, villagers of Sao Mathias in Diwar were facing big trouble as private bus operator had stopped their service as they were running in loss. Many villagers of Sao Mathias were forced to walk 4 to 5 kilometers from Diwar to Old Goa ferry jetty to their village in absence of bus. Prudent media had highlighted this issue on 7th of January. Sao Mathias Panchayat also took initiative in getting KADAMBA bus service in their village.
Government आणि आमका बरीचशी हांगा सुविधा दिली. दिवाडकारांक आमका इतलो प्रॉब्लेम असो बसीचो जे रुटाक आमच्या ह्या 3 बसी पयली चलताल्यो आज ते 3 बसींची आमच्याकडे एक सुद्धा बस नासली.
Villagers have finally succeeded in getting the much needed bus service, but some people are still waiting for their dream to come true. They want a bridge connecting their island with the main routes.
एकूच आमचे पारेकर सराकडे मागता चीफ मिनिस्टराकडे आमचे दिवाडे येवचो आणि आमका लोकांची डिफिकल्टी सोडून आमका एक ब्रिज करून दिवचो म्हणून.
Rakesh Kandolkar for Prudent.
Fishermen cooperative societies are irked over the increase in diesel prices. They claim that fishing societies have been charged with 11 rupees per litre. On Saturday, they refused to fill their tanks and want total shutdown of fishing activities if the government fails to roll back diesel prices. According to the fishermen, one trawler will now lose 66,000 rupees per month due to hike in diesel prices.
Central government has hiked 50 paise on diesel. For the industrial sector, the prices are hiked by 11 rupees per litre. Fishing societies claim that oil companies have categorized them into industrial sector, but fishing comes under agriculture.
Either ikra rupya rate hati ohitar brot jala me complete fishing is shut down gottele. Trawler is amcha business is shut down gottele ani market ami all India che he koron ami market pasan sagle shut down gottele. Kidak he jar amchan he korpak zaina. आणि हे पळय आख्खो कोस्ट आमचो टील गुजरात टू केरला आमी शट डावन करतले. तेणेन आमकां इंडस्ट्रियल हितून घातलेले आहा. खरे म्हणचे जाल्यार आमी आमचे फिशरमॅन इंडस्ट्रियल हितून पडना आमी एग्रीकल्चर हितून पडटा. पूण तेणेन आमकां गमोंक ना कांय ना ते पेट्रोलियमान सडनली आमकां ते कॅटेगरीन घातल्या.
Previous diesel price rupees 49.20. Current price rupees 60.20. 25 tanks required for fishing per day. 12,000 diesel in each tank. Rupees 59,520 for each tank. Current price rupees 7,22,520. Loss estimated up to rupees 1,32,000. Trawler consumes 2,000 litre. Previous diesel price rupees 98,420. Currently rupees 1,20,420. Total loss rupees 22,000 on each trip. 3 trips per trawler per month. Loss of rupees 66,000 per month. They have given an ultimatum till Monday to roll back diesel prices. Our reporter Mahesh Gadi with Omkar Farari for Prudent.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar stated that state government will file an affidavit in the Supreme Court on mining issue in the next week. He has also guaranteed relief to the mining affected people in Kurchode. State President Vinay Tendulkar on the other side has challenged Congress MLAs to wave black flags in the name of Parrikar and has threatened to blacken the faces within 15 days time.
आम्ही एफिडेविट योग्य प्रकारे योग्य टायमार फाईल करपाचे पयलींच ठरयल्ले. घाईन जर एफिडेविट फाईल केल्ले जाल्यार मागीर आमच्या एफिडेविटाचेर आनीक 10 लोकांचे वेगवेगळे विशय आसतले आणि म्हणून सगळ्यांची एफिडेविटां फाईल जातकच गोंय सरकाराचे एफिडेविट येणाऱ्या आठवड्यान पूर्ण एफिडेविट सगळ्या आंकड्या सकट सारखे एफिडेविट फाईल जातले. काँग्रेस पक्षाक चॅलेंज दिता
एक कार्यकर्त्यान आमच्या मुखेलमंत्र्याक कावळो बावटो दाखोवन पळोवचोच. या 9 आमदारांक तर 15 दिसां भितर तोंड काळे केले ना जाल्यार ते आमी भारतीय जनता पक्षाचे कार्यकर्तेच जावचे ना.
The Jan Sampark Abhiyan rally reached to Kuchere on Friday. People interacted with Parrikar and other MLAs. The aim of the Abhiyan is to expose the corrupt governance of the Congress-led government and to inform people of the BJP's vision and policies. Reporter Mayur Naik for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.